Riding to me is one of the best things in the world. Frankly, I can't think of anything better. I've made this video to show you why I miss it so much. Yeah, I mean, sure, like anything else, it does have its risks.
Ah! 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 Fuck!
Great. Okay, so neat. Oh shit! Oh, you fucker.
As well as that, you've also got all sorts of shit to deal with.
Ow. Put the window down. I'll give you one guess of why I'm wearing this sticker. My best mate was killed by someone on the phone. Yeah? Don't use your phone when you drive, please.
Oi! Put the phone down!
Whoa. The fuck was that?
You fucking prick! Yes? What? Huh?
Mother lover!
God damn it!
But it is worth it all. Why do I miss riding? Just watch.
I wanted to get in. Can I come in? Yeah? Oh, I'm gonna be in trouble.
It's kind of strange, like a stormy sea. I guess these things have gotta be. I've got a new rose, I've got a good.
It's coming lower. Bring it in. On my face. Land it on.
Show my sticker collection.
No.
No?
No. Thank you.
I'll put it in there.
Huh? Huh?
Lost both shoes on these bitches, that's all new. Then forgive me, I'm so low. I'm back on the one toe. We with it all just to lose. I got to go scroll. This game thinks the motherfucking cap off a
Now he gets a high five too!
See a high five? Yes! Yeah!
Psych!
Tiddle, 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 tiddle.
I can feel your tire up against my ears. Oh
Chill. Look at those dangling baby legs. Damn, I feel like I'm giving this cable a run for its money right now. Look what they've done to me bike.
I said Ghost Rider, not Toast Rider. It's covered it in cooked bread. Unbelievable. Rebel.
How cool is that?
Oh shit, I put myself in a really stupid place. I'm stuck! Oh, I am stuck. Stop! Go! Yeah, yeah. I just didn't have the turning circle.
I'm shocked for coming.
Go through the gap. 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 Okay, now. Right, we haven't done a fuel fill for a while. Let's see if I can keep it all in the tank. Oh,
Oh yes, it has the Aquapovic on it too. Oh! That's good, I like it.
Hashtag must stop strangling hookers.
Sounds men!
in all my glory. Hold.
Oh, tunnel. It's the tunnel. Oh my god, oh my god. The humanity. There's a bag in the tunnel. There's a bag. There's a bag. Obstacles for days. Welcome to the tunnel level.
Oh god! This guy's running with a fucking blood thing. Holy fuck. What the fuck?
Hey guys, I'm Max. I hope you enjoyed what you just seen. It's featuring some of my own footage, and from the kindness of others I've featured some of their footage. It wouldn't have been possible without the permission from the other people, so I'd like to thank everyone for that. But I made this video primarily because I felt disconnected from riding, because it's been so long since I've done it, since I've been on a bike, and I genuinely feel it's one of the best things in the world. Some of my funniest, most exciting and best moments have been on or around a motorbike. So I wanted to show that to you, the fans, the people who watch, that, you know, how much I miss riding, why I miss riding, and why it's one of the most important things in my life. It's been 3 years now, and it's gonna take a little while longer, but I will get back on a bike. I will make more videos. So I'd just like to thank everyone for sticking around, thank everyone for letting me use their footage, and I hope you enjoyed it. Check out the links in the description below, check out the videos that I've taken the footage from, that I've installed it from, and yeah, as always, peace out. Are we done? Are we done, yeah? I think mainly, to be honest, the only reason I made it was to make a shitload of money on ads, and then I can buy another bike, so that'd be nice. Eh? It's not monetised. Oh, for fuck's sake.